Markets finished a little mixed today with the Dow up a little bit, NASDAQ, S&P down. Let's jump in and take a look at what's going on. Coming off of the holidays, the Dow finished up 0.3 or 38.63, up 0.11%, S&P down 0.4, NASDAQ down 1.38 as the capital rotates through the system and tax loss selling continues. The interesting thing is the bonds. Let's take a look at the bonds here real quick. Big news is the bond market. The U.S. 10-year 3.851%, back up to that 4%, approaching that 4% range. We'll take a look at that in a minute. The 1 year at 4.699, almost 4.7% for a 1 year treasury bond, a 6-month treasury bond at 4.686, and a 4-month at 4.6. So that's putting a lot of pressure on stocks. We'll jump into the charts here in a minute. But basically, what's going on is that bond yields pushed higher, putting pressure on growth stocks like technology. The yield in the 10-year was up nearly 11 basis points. And Apple was among the worst performer in the Dow, falling to levels not seen since June 2021. It's basically the continuation of high yields depressing growth, high yields depressing growth with distribution into other sectors that are smaller but not big enough to change the headline index. So that, in a combination of tax loss selling and repositioning for 2023. So that's putting pressure on the markets. We're still looking for a little bounce into the end of the year, but we're running out of daylight for that to happen. We have 3 trading days left in the year, and we have a 4-day week next week as markets will be closed on Monday. So tomorrow would be a good day for the markets to kind of rebound and turn around a little bit, even though today is Tuesday, and normally you see turnaround Tuesday. But let's take a look at, here's the Dow right here, kind of bouncing along this little area here. NASDAQ down a little bit today, not quite at breaking the November low or even the October low. Dow Jones nowhere near it. S&P, same thing, nowhere near that October or November low right now, but getting close. Let's take a look at the moving averages. Again, below the 50 and the 100, looking for that cross on the S&P. NASDAQ below all major moving averages. The Dow finding support initially above the 200, now finding support